Welcome to this channel again. In today's math tutorial, we want to find the length of the three sides of the triangle ABC, given that inscribed in it is a square of side 5 centimeters. Before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe now. Click on the notification bell so that you get timely updates from this channel. Now, to solve for the three sides of the triangle, we are going to name these corners P, Q, and R. So that first, from triangle QRC, the tangent of the angle 35 degrees will be equal to the opposite side, that's the QR, over the adjacent side, which is RC. This is 5 centimeters over the side RC. And tan 35 degrees is 0.7002. This is equal to 5 centimeters over RC. Taking a cross product, we have 0.7002 times RC to be equal to 5 centimeters. And here RC will be 5 centimeters divided by 0.7002. This gives the value 7.14 centimeters to three significant figures. Now, with RC obtained already, we can find the side BC, which is one of the sides of the triangle. Side BC is the sum of the side BR and RC. And this is 5 centimeters for BR plus the newly calculated RC, which is 7.14 centimeters. Meaning that the side BC of the triangle ABC is 12.14 centimeters. Now, to get the side AB of the triangle, we are going to be considering triangle APQ. And from triangle APQ, the measure of the angle A or PAQ is 55 degrees, because the sum of the angles in the triangle ABC is 180, angle B is 90, angle C is 35, so 35 taken away from 90 gives the measure of the angle A. Now, from that triangle APQ, and by trigonometry, the tangent of the angle A or PAQ tan 55 degrees will be equal to the opposite side, which is side PQ, over the side AP. The side PQ is 5 centimeters over AP. And using a cross product, this simply means that tan 55 degrees, which is 1.428, times AP is equal to 5 centimeters. And therefore, the length of the side AP of triangle APQ is 5 centimeters divided by 1.428. And this is 3.50 centimeters to three significant figures. It therefore follows that the side AB of the triangle ABC is the sum of the side AP, just calculated, and the side PB. This is 3.50 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. The side AB of the triangle ABC is 8.50 centimeters. Now, having obtained the side AB of the triangle ABC, which is 8.50 centimeters, the side BC of the triangle is also 12.14 centimeters. Then to find the side AC of the triangle ABC, we will apply the Pythagoras Theorem. Therefore, in triangle ABC, and by the Pythagoras Theorem, we have that the square of AC, which is the hypotenuse side, will be equal to the square of AB, the side AB, and plus the square of the side BC, such that AC squared is 8.50 squared plus 12.14 squared. That is 72.25 plus 147.3796, which when added together gives 219.6296. And taking the square root of both sides will give us the value of AC. So AC is the square root of 219.6296. And this is approximately 14.82 centimeters to 2 places of decimal. The conclusion will be that the three sides of the triangle ABC to 2 places of decimal are now AB, which is 8.50 centimeters, BC, which is 12.14 centimeters, and AC, which is 14.82 centimeters. I believe that you enjoyed today's math tutorial. Let me know in the comment section. You can also send in your questions to the comment section or the email attached to the description of this video. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get updated from time to time about the activities and videos coming from this channel. Thank you for watching today's video and have a lovely day. Bye.